Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the Swift wireless earbuds with mic headset. Without further ado, let us start the video. So here we have the product itself on screen. Let's now look at some of the features. Why accelerate? Wireless earbuds with mic. Swift wireless earbuds with mic. Bluetooth technology, an integrated mic, remote controls, noise isolating, a dynamic driver, 3 earpad sizes, the back of the box, the side, the other side, the bottom, just some information. Now let's get into the box itself. We can always use some keys if we have to. Anything else in the box? Absolutely not. This is just another cardboard. And so let's now get to the star of the show. USB connection, earbuds, an instruction manual. Lets us know how to use the product itself. That's very good. And here are Swift wireless earbuds with mic, accelerate, if we want to charge, we remove the cap, connection from here, micro USB, and so that's for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now.